What a beautiful day here on Super Bowl Sunday. Very little cloud activity, unlike the snow of all day yesterday. Didn't really document it, but yeah, we got several inches of snow yesterday. Welcome everyone on this freezing cold Super Bowl Sunday. Just wanted to document it. The Patriots are in the Super Bowl, so it's been quite a while for that. Definitely long before I started this channel. So I'm going to document a little. I don't know really. I'm going to a Super Bowl gathering, as I usually do on Super Bowl Sunday, and I may try to go to Market Basket, get a few items and cook. So maybe there'll be a little cooking show, not on the grill, but in the house, because I think it's wow, it's up to 11 degrees. It was just 9 degrees a little while ago, but it is quite brisk out here. But gonna enjoy the Super Bowl Sunday, and hopefully the Pats will take the win. So come check it. I don't know why I squinted there. Check it. And just hoping Market Basket isn't too crowded, even though, judging by this long line of traffic just to get into Market Basket, I would say it probably is. And I was thinking of making chicken wings, but I'm thinking there might not even be any at this late time. You know, it's just a few hours before the Super Bowl. So we'll see. Maybe I'll come up with something else if they don't have any. And yes, it looks very full here. Yeah, that compass looks like mine, but it is not. Oh yeah, parked very far away. And it is very frigid out. So, hopefully these are enough foil pans. These will be enough. Hopefully I have enough time to let these marinate, as it is already a little after 1 o'clock. Also hoping this is enough chicken. I'm just gonna get the marination commencing. Both bags, because I believe you're supposed to let them marinate for 2 to 3 hours minimum, but I'm not dealing. Ignore that clock. It's really 1:23. That clock is incorrect. But yeah, I'm quite literally winging it today. I know I throw the winging it out a lot on this channel, but I'm winging it in both ways. I'm winging it because I waited to the last minute to try to do this, and because it's chicken wings. And I will let these sit for a little while and marinate. Football, please. That's what the wings are for, football. What a coincidence. All right. One side is done. Just gotta flip them over. Maybe I'll rearrange them also. Looking pretty scrumptious so far, though. And while I wait for those, might as well play a little fun house. Whoa! What is going on? The score is going up quite a bit. All right, let's see if this works better in original mode. Ah. Don't. Hope I don't jinx myself. It's midnight. Oh, I missed. Ah! And all changed for the game and for the party. Wearing the 81, and no, it's not the 81 you might think. A lot of people accuse me of being a different 81, but it's Randy Moss. I've worn this every playoff game, so hopefully we take it all. I did not show the chicken when in its finished state, but I'll try to remember. I already covered it and everything, or else I would. Not that you care that much, but hey, you know, it's content. But I'm gonna head out now. I'll see you at the Super Bowl festivities. Oh, and there's my beautiful chicken wings. Quite the smorgasbord of things. Got my Grateful Dead Juicy Pale Ale. Let's go, Patriots. Well, Patriots aren't doing very good. It's the third quarter. And we're a bit behind. Haven't scored anything. I don't know. Not happy about it. Well, folks, the Patriots didn't pull it off, but that was one heck of a season. My beard is getting a little out of control. Thank you for watching. And if you could, hit that subscribe button. I know this is a very awesome video. There'll be better videos coming up, so hit that subscribe button. And peace to you all.